Recording in progress.
Good morning. Today we will be discussing the three main types of microorganisms covered in the syllabus of O levels biology. Firstly is viruses. What are viruses? Now viruses are obligate hosts which can only survive within the organism. They don't have their own metabolic machinery to synthesize their own food, so they cannot survive with outside the organism. The viruses are extremely small and they can only be seen with an electron microscope. They contain their nucleic acid, which can be either DNA or RNA. The nucleic acid is covered by this layer or this protein, these protein codes, which you can see, and the ability of virulence of a virus, specific virus relies on them. For example, HIV has a protein code which is rapidly changing. So it is very that there isn't a vaccine which has been produced against it. Similarly, the now what is the treatment for viruses? Viruses can only be stopped by using vaccines or antivirals. They cannot be affected by antibiotics since viruses are not bacteria. Now we come to bacteria and discuss its properties. Now bacteria are slightly larger than viruses. They are unicellular, however, they don't have a nucleus, unlike fungi. They have a cell wall like similar to plants. Bacteria are killed by antibiotics as they are as antibiotics only act on bacteria. You need to remember this, that antibiotics only act on bacteria, they don't act on fungi or viruses. Now we will come to the last such type of microorganism, which is fungi. Fungi have a cell wall made up of chitin. They don't have any chlorophyll, so they cannot synthesize their own food. A group of fungi are known as hyphae, which when combined they form a mycelium. The fungi store their energy reserves in the form of glycogen, unlike plants which store their energy form in the form of in the form of starch. Now, the most important part which we will be which you will be tested upon rapidly will be that how fungi reproduce. Now, we need to know that fungi reproduce by spores or budding. How, although it's not written over here, but you need to know that bacteria reproduce by binary fission. These are the two extremely important differences which you need to know. This covers the main properties of the three microorganisms. Thank you. See you in the next video.